In this video, I'm sharing with you how I plan for my small kitchen renovation. So let's get started. Hi and welcome to my channel, A Cozy Home. My name's Susan. Planning a small kitchen renovation can be extremely daunting, especially when you don't know where to start. So I'm hoping that my 6 tips will get you started. Now, first thing at number 1, we need to identify the shape of our kitchen. So, do you have an I-shaped kitchen? An I-shaped kitchen is where you have all your kitchen cabinets on one wall. Or do you have a U-shaped kitchen? A U-shaped kitchen is great for larger kitchens, and the kitchen cabinets are placed on 3 of the walls. An L-shaped kitchen has cabinets along 2 walls and is great for large and small kitchens. A gallery kitchen is 2 large rows of kitchen cabinets facing each other, creating an inner passage between the 2. Right, staying in still at number 1, we then need to decide what is our kitchen style. What are we more drawn to? So, do you like the traditional kitchen, be it country, shaker style kitchens? Or are you interested in the contemporary look, the industrial look? Or maybe you like the mid-century modern look? They are the various style types of kitchens that you can go for that's out there on the market currently. However, you need to create yourself a mood board to gather all the things that you do like that you can actually take to the kitchen showroom to show them your style. So what I suggest you do is create yourself a mood board, you either using Houzz or using Pinterest. Both of these websites hold millions of photos, so you're bound to find something that you actually like. Now you've discovered the shape of your kitchen and you know the style of your kitchen, we now need to draw our attention to measuring the kitchen. Now I know this is not the fun, and most of you, if you were like me, feel uncomfortable when it comes to measuring stuff, and it's important that your kitchen is measured correctly. So have somebody in with you, a family or friend, and have them double check your measurements. And I have dropped in the description a link which will also guide you and give you some helpful tips along the way. We now need to start looking at the budget. You need to decide how much you actually want to spend on your kitchen, the total overall cost. But you also need to break that total overall cost down into segments on how much you want to spend for your kitchen cabinets, your worktop, your appliances, your electrical, the cost of installation. All of this needs to be factored in to the cost of your budget. You also need to keep yourself a 15 to 20% contingency fund. This is in case of any surprises along the way once your kitchen has been removed. At number 4, you need to do your research. Now, when you're doing your research, you are better off actually looking outside of your kitchen supplier for your cabinets to have a look and see who is selling the best in worktops, your kitchen appliances. Just because you're buying your kitchen cabinets from one supplier doesn't mean you have to buy everything from that same showroom. Do your research, shop around, look on the internet, and do not be afraid to ask for those discounts. In at number 5, we have kitchen accessories. If you're looking to keep costs down, then don't get caught up in buying all the latest trends like that fancy kitchen tap or all the soft close cabinets and doors. All of these can add hundreds and hundreds of pounds to your kitchen budget. If you are insistent on having kitchen doors that are soft close, these soft close hinges can be bought individually from your local DIY store, and you can just hand them to your kitchen carpenter and say to them, instead of fitting the standard ones, please fit these ones instead. saving you hundreds of pounds. It's a very good idea to use your local kitchen fitter than the one that's been supplied to you by your kitchen showroom. By using your local kitchen fitter, you can actually keep even more costs down, because your kitchen fitter may be able to help you with those kitchen cabinets at a discount, or even at wholesale price if you're that lucky. He may be able to help you source your kitchen worktops, because most of them have contacts within the industry. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more future videos like this one.